Thinking about momo? Then you can try this cheesy momo recipe at your home. Momos are so popular that people cannot stop thinking of different variations of the momo. From tandoori momos to chocolate momo, and there are so many. Today I'm going to show you a recipe of simple cheesy momo. The cheesy momo is a magical cheesy fried pretzel that is perfect dipped in a garlic mayonnaise. It is very crispy from the outside and cheesy from the inside. So first I'm going to make the stuffing. Take 75 gram of cheddar cheese, 100 gram of cottage cheese, chopped green chili as per your taste, chopped bell peppers, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and little bit of chili flakes. Now mix them well. If you want, you can add grated cauliflower or finely chopped cabbage. Now take a momo wrap and fill it with a spoonful of stuffing. Apply water on the edges of the wrap and start to fold it. First, patch the end corner, then pleat and pinch. I shared the recipe of momo dough previously on my channel. Please check them out. And also I shared different types of momos in my channel, so don't forget to check them. These are done. Now into hot oil, put the momos gently and fry them. Make sure the oil is not so hot as they can burn. These fried momos will be a great addition to your starter recipes for parties or any get-together. Turn them side to side and it will take 10 to 12 minutes to fry. Fry them well from the each side. If you want to make steamed momos and if you think that you don't have the right equipment to cook them in, just find a tray or a plate with holes and keep it on the top of any deep pan. Fill the bottom of the pan with the water and nicely grease your plate or tray that you are going to keep over it. Then you have your momo stand ready. With crispy exterior and spicy filling, this fried momo tastes delicious with any dipping sauce. If you want to try something unique and special, you can make these fried momos. They taste so yummy when served hot. These momos are fried. Take them out from the oil and serve them with garlic mayonnaise or your favorite dip. Hope you all enjoy this recipe of fried cheese momo. Please do a try and let me know how they turns out. That's it for today's video. Please like this video, leave your comment in the comment section and share our videos with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.